The first thing you want to do to weatherize your home is get into the attic with some foam and some caulk and seal the holes in the attic floor. If you don't use your fireplace, you ought to make sure the damper is closed. And then you can go so far to stuff up a trash bag full of fiberglass insulation to plug up this hole, because it's a big hole in the house and air will continue to run out. And then of course, obviously checking the door seals and weather stripping. That's a smart thing to do. Sealing and insulating your home correctly can save 20% of your heating and cooling bills on an annual basis.
Frozen pipes are another hazard that homeowners want to be aware of when winterizing their home. Pipes that are frozen are common during cold spells, which can lead to thousands of dollars worth of damage to your home.
One of the primary things that people can do to keep their pipes from freezing is put insulation on top of the pipe. And this is as simple as going to the Home Depot or Lowe's and getting insulation, wrapping the pipe up in insulation with duct tape on top to keep the insulation secure. This will do a great service in keeping the pipes from freezing. In situations where we're facing bitterly cold weather, it's not a bad idea for people to allow their faucets to drip a very, very small amount to keep the water moving inside the service line. And this is really important because sitting water is detrimental to keeping your house from having freezing pipes.
In addition to insulating the pipes in your home, make sure the heat is on during the winter months.
A programmable thermostat is a device that regulates the temperature when the occupants are not in the home or they're in the home and asleep. So the temperatures can be modulating down or up depending on the season to reduce the on time of the system. When that system is not on, it's not costing you much.
Another thing that homeowners can do to protect their home during the winter months is to change the filter on their heating and cooling system.
Changing the filter on your heating cooling system is something that should be done at least 4 times a year, possibly more if it's a busy house, and certainly if there's been any construction activity, if there's lots of pets. Heating and cooling systems fail primarily because of dirt buildup and poor maintenance. Getting your heating and cooling system inspected by a professional at the beginning of the heating season and then at the beginning of the cooling season will primarily help that system operate at its peak performance, but most importantly, you know that it's operating safely and it's not going to break down at the worst time.
For more tips on winter preparedness, visit fairfaxcounty.gov/emergency.